Today we'll talk about how can you find events on your Olymptrade app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go down here. You just click here on event here. And you just click on it. It's going to take you to this list here. So here, like you see, there is no active events right now. So but here, if you have any of your events, you will find it here. And when you click on this sign here, and here can you find your previous in this list. So I have no previous here events here, but if you have it, it's going to show for you in this list here on your Olymptrade app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.